Step 1, turn the console over. Step 2, pull the console so the tray has all the screws exposed. Next step, remove all the screws.
Go.
Once the screws are removed, make sure you don't have any screws left. Pick up the unit with both hands. Make sure the unit is in the closed position. Open the lid. The keyboard tray will be exposed. It comes off very easily. Do not pull the keyboard immediately because there is a cable connected to the mouse. This cable snaps off. Make sure the lid is placed on top of the LCD, and now you're ready to remove the keyboard. Remove the piece that connects the keyboard to the console.
Snap-on.
The tray snaps off, and you have two connectors. These two ribbons can be
Gently pulled.
and your keyboard has been disassembled. There it is.
Okay. Post-production. Alright, so in order to get those things in, it should be slightly bent. And we're feeding it in. And pressing forward. Okay. See, this one's all the way in. The same one for the second connector. Okay, connectors are in. Mounting module. Okay, sit well, connected. Now placing the keyboard, there's a snap on the left, snaps here, goes in, went in. This piece is still open, little piece with this to the right. This is just, see, there are no screws. Okay, next piece we have to connect this to the touchpad, showed from the inside, went in. Okay. Okay, so there are no snaps here, just making sure everything's properly. The LEDs, those are the three LEDs. They'll come out here. So essentially at this point we can test to see whether we assembled the keyboard right. Shut it down. Go. So after we put the keyboard back together, let's make sure that it's been connected properly before you put all the screws back. A way to do it is to connect it, for example, for a laptop like we have here. Please show the connections in the back. So we just connected the cable running to the laptop, and we are seeing the output of the laptop on the screen. This tells us that the monitor is working, and I want to make sure the touchpad is working and that we can type. So that's all you need to do. We were able to verify that touchpad is working and the keyboard is working. So now it is safe to disconnect it from the power and
put all the screws back in. That's it.